My name's Elizabeth. I'm 52 years old, and I have been struggling with bruxism for most of my life. I've been grinding my teeth, and now that I'm 52 years old, I see that my teeth are getting shorter, my bite is collapsing, and so I would like to get that fixed. And so I came to Dr. McFadden because I've seen his work and I was very impressed, and I want one of those smiles that he's created. I've struggled with joint problems because of my bruxism, and so when I get that fixed, my bite will open up, and therefore my joint problems will be no longer. I have worked in the dental industry for a long time, and I've worked with many dentists, and when I saw Dr. McFadden's work, I said, that's where I'm going to go. That is the smile that I want to have. So Dr. McFadden is going to do a crown lengthening procedure where he will be doing surgery that will lengthen the teeth. He will be putting temporaries on my teeth that, from what I hear, are just as good as the actual crowns. So I'm excited that I won't be having to worry about how I'm going to look after the procedure, because I know that it's just going to be great. I have seen the temporaries that he makes, and they are fabulous. I just recently got my new smile, and I am really excited. It was everything that I hoped for and more. I looked at my before pictures, and it's so unreal how much of a change to my smile there is, and I am so happy. Love the temporaries, but these are by far so much better. Okay, when I first decided to do this procedure was mainly not only for cosmetic reasons, but because I was having joint problems because I had grounded my teeth down so far that, you know, my bite had collapsed, and so I was hoping to get some relief from that, and sure enough, yes, it's made a big difference, because now my jaws are not stressed from, you know, having to bite differently and my teeth being so short. So that's been a great help with these new teeth that I have. Those procedures were so painless, and it made such a big difference to actually get my crown lengthening procedure done, because my teeth are longer, more youthful looking. I am so happy that you know, I went through all of this, and that I trusted Dr. McFadden. So if you're thinking of ever getting anything done, definitely please look him up and inquire about all that he has to offer, because it made such a big difference.